Do you love white rice? I love white rice. I'm going to show you the fastest way to make white rice and also my favorite dishes containing white rice. Are you ready? Let's go. In a cauldron, you're going to boil 2 cups of water, 1/3 cups of cooking oil, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You're going to add 3 cups of rice and you're going to stir. Reduce heat and let the liquid absorb. Watch your rice so it doesn't burn, okay? Okay, now you're gonna mix and mound the rice towards the center. Cover for 20 minutes and don't forget to reduce the heat again. The rice is perfect. Mix it one more time and set it on low until you are ready to serve. My favorite rice combos include beef and cilantro, eggs and bacon, beans and pork, and arugula and corn bowl. Oh my God, it is so delicious. Now it's time to sit and be thankful for this meal. You know, there are so many things around us that make us sad. So choose to focus on the things you can control, things that bring you joy for you and others. And most importantly, do it with love. Until next time, friends.